Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, we built the pivot tables. Today we are turning those messy charts into a clean corporate dashboard. Let's make it professional. I moved to the charts. Default Excel charts come with a lot of unnecessary lines and labels. I went ahead and removed the grid lines inside the charts and cleared out the redundant axis names. After cleaning, it was time to add clear bold titles to each chart so anyone looking at the dashboard instantly understand the matrix. I adjusted the fonts and made sure the colors aligned nicely with the professional theme. Finally, I aligned all the charts neatly on the page. And our dashboard layout is ready. In the next video, we will build dynamic KPI cards to place right at the top. Don't forget to like, comment below if you want the next part and hit subscribe. See you in the next video.